Redub software. This software name is Redub. ट्रांसलेट एंड डब एनी वीडियो इन एनी लैंग्वेज यूजिंग एआई। जैसा कि आप सभी को पता है कि एआई यानी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस का ज़माना आ गया है। हर चीज़ को आसान बनाया जा सकता है। ये एक रेडअप सॉफ्टवेयर है जिससे आप डबिंग कर सकते हैं। जैसा कि यहाँ पे दिखा रहा है कि ट्रांसलेट एंड डब एनी वीडियोज़ इन एनी लैंग्वेज यूजिंग एआई प्लस गेट रेडअप plus all the upgrade for 50% offer the regular price when you get this highly discounted bundle deal right now. What is the features? Smart AI technology turns any video on the internet into a multilingual traffic getting machines with professional subtitles, voices and effect in 3 clicks. Use coupon code REDUB bundle 40 for instant $40 offer. Here are the features included with Redub commercial. You read all instructions line by line and you take a screenshot. First AI powered transcription, second AI powered translation, third AI powered voiceover, fourth multi-speaker detection, five personalized voice covers, six neural emotions AI engine, seven subtitle generations, eight multilingual subtitles, and right and animated subtitle, AI editing, original audio preservations, background music, video import, manual quality check, multi-export formats, noise reductions, priority and standard customer support. You buy, upgrade, one trade-up, limited pro. Purchase link, descriptions. You buy right now. Here are the features included with Redub Unlimited Pro: unlimited video translations, unlimited projects, multi-format video export, premium voice library, pro voices, extended language suites, unlimited video dubbing, extended video time, AI content enhancement, collaborative team access, VIP, rendering, priority processing। परचेज लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पे है, वो वहाँ जाके परचेज कर सकते हैं। ये बहुत कमाल का सॉफ्टवेयर बंडल है। This software price $297. Get offer. Use the coupon code RED bundle 40 for you get 40% off. Purchase link in descriptions.